Hey guys, so if you have the B48 motor, which is the facelift F30 320i, a common problem that happens, and I only found this out later, was there's a specific coolant pipe that where situated it just breaks and just fails, and apparently it's a very common issue. It's this one over here. I'm actually just busy removing just a few things. Now I was going to remove the intake manifold, and then I came across this other video. I'll put the link, where this gentleman says the exact same thing, where you can actually get to the actual, that's the pipe over there. Let me just quickly zoom in. That one over there, as you can see, all the coolant that's leaked out. So instead of having to remove the intake manifold, what he advised was you remove the actual pipe that goes into the throttle body. Then you actually, this bracket sits there. Actually, it's the other way around. So that actually hides this whole thing. And then you take your hand and you can actually come around. I'll actually try and show you if you can see my hand. Yeah, remove. Also get yourself a pick so that you can actually go in and you're able to pull the clip up. You know, these clips like this. Like that. Let me just try it again. There we go. And then, so the same thing is what I'm going to do. So that pipe will actually come off. That one must come off, and then that one you're going to loosen, and I can just move it out, and then obviously put the new one in. Okay, so as you guys can see, that's the new one, and this is the old one. If I look here, I don't see any visible signs of cracks, but you know, there you can see, you know, I think that's where the issue lied. It could just be somewhere here. But guys, just one thing, when you do insert that pipe, just make sure that you hear a click, then you know that it's actually gone in fully. As you can see, I haven't yet pushed that safety clip in, you know, so it doesn't shoot out again when it pulls the pressure. So yeah, and I'm about to immediately do this one. That's it. All it is now is just to fill up with coolant, do the self-bleed, and we should be good to go. For those of us that have BMs will know that the acute seal to any BMW is the cooling system. So the moment you suspect a coolant leak or something, you attend to it immediately. I would know. That guy over there, yeah, that was because of a water pump that backed up. Okay, hopefully this helps someone. I hope it does. To use out there that for a B48 or just a BMW, just make sure you look after your cooling system, and you should be good to go. Cheers.